Oh, this thing's gonna snap on me, god damn it.
Sail, sail, sail! Septum deviation's a real thing.
Where are we going?
Yeah.
We're going to fucking swap meet, baby! Okay, you're excited.
I'm pretty excited. It's been a while.
Very excited. I know, because you won't stop talking about it.
I definitely haven't done that.
You won't stop. Who remembers that guy, huh? You remember that guy? Whoa. What's up with that guy? This is the prized item right here.
Thanks, Barnstorm
Thanks,
Cycles.
Barnstorm, dude. We're gonna sell this for a ton of money.
Lights, trees.
All of our treasures, dude. We're hawking all of our treasure.
For more treasure.
For more treasure. We're definitely coming back with more treasure. But hopefully maybe we'll get rid of some of this shit. All right, drag this heavy ass fucking dollar bin out of here.
All right, okay, all right.
Dollar bin. I have carried this heavy ass bin for so many fucking swap meets. You know what happened to the dollar tarp at the end of the day?
What?
It gets thrown away. We're slashing prices this year. We're slashing prices this year, Craig. We gotta fit all this stuff in 2 bicycles.
Oh, the bicycles.
We gotta bring the bicycles. I feel is 4:45 is too late. Did I say 4:45 to you?
Swap prep.
Swap prep. Oh, shit. For sale. Hold her right there for me, thank you.
You're rushing. Stop rushing.
Shouldn't be this difficult.
That's not going anywhere.
Dude, we're gonna put so many parts in this. Knuckleheads, linkers, wishbone frames, everything's going in it.
What's this whole twist thing you're doing?
What?
Instead of cutting it, you're twisting it.
Well, these literally are the dullest sites
I was
on Earth.
confused.
They will not cut through anything. But it's barely there.
Thanks, Dan Sullivan.
Is those Dan's?
Yeah.
Yeah, good job, Dan. Good job.
They work.
I guess it doesn't say when vendor loading is.
So you want to leave at 4? How far is it away from here?
I think it's only 40 minutes from here. So we gotta leave here at 4.
4:20.
4:15.
4:20, dude.
We'll meet at 4:15. We'll blaze at 4:20 on the road.
Okay, hell yeah.
You know, good dog.
Morning kush.
Morning kush.
Yeah.
You know, I'll take the seeds out. I'll take sticks of stems and seeds out, dude, beforehand tonight. Yo, I'll prepare the blunts. We'll get the dro. We'll start smoking that dro on the road, yo. Damn, and we be riding, we be driving. Don't hit that. Stop.
What is that?
It's for the hood.
How does it work?
You're doing it. It works.
So meet here
4:15.
at 4:15.
Right there. We're meeting right there. You and Jason will be parking there.
I'll see you at 4.
4:15.
4:20?
4:15. 4 o'clock if you want to be early. That'd be great.
I'm not ready.
Get the coffee pot going. Oh, welcome back to the channel, guys. We missed 4:20. Oh, fucking hitting the dro right now on the way.
Did we hit our target?
Pretty much. We pretty much nailed it. You know, I didn't say what time we were departing from the building.
Okay, all right.
I said meet at 4:15. We did that. That was the time. And now we just gotta find a dunks, dude. And we're golden. Yeah, right. On our way to the promised land right now.
Where's that?
Stafford Springs, Connecticut.
Let's do it.
The only good part of Connecticut that exists. Yeah, dude, swap meet 4:20. This is how you do it, dude. If you want to piss with the big dogs, you gotta get up early. We're treasure hunting, dude. This is technically a Snitches episode.
And part 3.
Snitches Part 3, baby. We're out here. Snitches Part 3, the return.
Same
The return
road.
of the snitch.
Isn't a snitch?
A snitch is a Harry Potter.
Yes. Yeah,
the
hell
golden,
yeah.
the golden snitch.
Hell yeah, I love
Yeah,
that.
we're searching for the golden snitch right now.
I love that.
Are you jazzed, dude? Are you all jizzed up for this?
I'm ready to swap.
I love that. I'm very excited about that. I'm excited to snitch. Do it for Mike Rowe.
Do it for Mike Rowe.
I'm out here doing it for Mike Rowe, dude. Trying to, you know, bring light to the trades.
We're in line.
Hell yeah, we are.
Hour and a half early.
Perfect. That's how you. We should be here 2 hours early every time.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. Meet it. Be. We got here at 5. Gates don't open till 7. The Blood Creek.
I mean the Blood Creek. Guys, like and subscribe, okay? Coming at you.
Hey, you want a hand?
Such a nice guy. Such a helper. Drive it on home.
What are you buying?
Hey, Jason coming at you over here with the Eazy Company.
Hey, welcome back to the
You
channel,
even
guys.
make sure to like and subscribe. Hey, right here, like and subscribe. Right here.
You're a natural, dude. I've never seen anyone like you.
What is that?
Selling all this shit. You boys do it. This is too far from home for you guys. You got kids and shit. Wait a minute. Do I know you from Instagram? Like 6 years. Put the fucking camera on. Oh, dude. It's definitely a bicycle seat.
I don't think so. I think it's like a trike seat.
That's crazy. I don't know. Should we throw this in the pile with the roller? What do you want for the seat? And the tank and the roller.
3 for the seat.
300 for the seat?
300.
Wow, okay. I know you paid for it. Cool. All right, well, we'll keep it here. That's a lot. It's fine. Get 300. I want you to get your money. You know what I mean?
It's about time. It's about time.
All right. You made money before everyone at this goddamn swap meet because. Oh. What are you doing with that? Why'd you even bring it? You want $400 for this? For real?
I want a lot of money for it. I really don't want to sell it.
You paid what, $4 for it? Okay.
It's a lot.
That's like $1 billion % profit.
Okay, all right.
All right. It's in the B's, I think, if my math serves me correctly.
Yeah.
All right, well, keep this in the bin.
That's why I'm drunk already.
Dog. How did they even let you this far up into Connecticut?
Dude,
You're
not
close to the border. You're close to the border, bro. You better hide out.
I like where this is going.
If I don't see you at La Espada on April 30th, 2022 in Haverhill, Mass. And if anybody asks, I'm not riding through Massachusetts on the way home.
How are you getting there?
We're going to, all right, this is what we're doing. Anybody want to
you?
come fucking ride with me? We're going North Haven, Saratoga, Vermont, New Hampshire.
God.
Down into Haverhill, picking up my old lady fucking somewhere there.
Okay.
At a train station or airport, anyone in between.
Airport.
Yeah. And then on the way back, I'm gonna be fucked up. No, I'm gonna need a ride to your guys' thing from the border.
Yeah, we can make that happen.
I'm gonna have dynamite.
I'll just get you here.
Just come in the van. I meet you at the border. Put the bike in.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, I'll just come and get you at the
Once I
border.
get to Worcester, I'll blast around. I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, that's fine. We can load your shit in the back.
It's just like, how if I get bagged up? And it's like, what happened to Dave for 60 days?
You'll be fine. You're not gonna get caught, dude.
But if I do.
But if you do, dude, well, maybe we'll
Put a
bail
little
you
money
out.
on my books.
We'll
Hey.
bail you out. It's fine.
You know, you bail me out, then I go do a 60-day bid, what, 8 months from now? Fuck all that.
$1.
Just do the bid.
Dollar! Sold! Sold!
Bring Hans to the cod, baby.
On to the cod, baby.
Odds in the car!
To the cod.
pay your rent for 6
What do
Definitely.
you want for that? Bucket corner?
Northeast.
Yo, $10 for the dresser.
Yeah, dude.
Dude, and now I gotta do the floorboards and the bag rails in the same gray.
Same gray.
Same gray.
Good,
But we
but I'd
need
like to
barricades.
have
You have to
kinda-
funnel
I
the
know,
crowd. They're like animals.
Yeah.
What do they do when they
You're not
fucking,
wrong.
you know? You
not
ever
wrong.
watch 1883 before the Yellowstone? What's that fucking hot blonde Indian broad do? She fucking wrangles cattle, brother.
That show's good, dude. We are interrupting this broadcast to tell you to go to throttleauction.com, okay? Click the link in the description or right up here and go to throttleauction.com and buy your hardtails for your Sportsters and for your everyday life. The shovelhead hardtails are cool. Do it. Axle plates, risers, bait seats, replica seats, king and queen seats, sissy bars, headlights, taillights, tight-ass clothing. Buy it all. Throttleauction.com. See you later. That stuff.
You're a
Your
well.
fucking bad dad bike and fucking parking lot. Spectator parking only. Your cool FXR, maybe. You got the Nest fucking side covers, maybe. 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 Go ahead.
He needs a head for it. Oh, what's up? Killing me over here.
No, this is what you need, right?
Internet.
It's in a
I'm gonna give you a little
it's in a-
preference at La Espada, right? Make sure you're tight with your girl before you bring her there. We're gonna be good looking guys like this guy there, my man. Uh-oh.
I got no idea.
Watch out.
Yeah,
It's in a Tommy Hilfiger bag.
It's not Tommy
It
Hilfiger.
looks like it.
Maybe it is. My mom bought this for me at Marshall's. So if I marry this new girl, it's all
Don't,
fade.
please don't.
No, I gotta fade out the crack. We're gonna go red. Can you go red over blue, or does it turn brown? Yeah.
Is it like
Confuse me so
I know. I don't think it works like that with tattoos. You do.
It's
You
not
should
like watercolors?
You should do,
Oil painting.
you should do black squares. You should do black squares and then white in it. Except that you're gonna marry. You talking about the chick that,
I already
that you
bought
brought?
the ring,
No
and I-
way,
yeah.
dude. Are you talking about the chick that you brought to Fuel?
Buffalo. Yeah.
The one that you hit. The one that you banged.
The one
in the
that-
butt?
yeah.
The butt bang.
Yeah.
Yeah. In the car.
Yeah. Yeah, that was awesome. Dude, like I said, if you're gonna get a bunch of swinging dicks in a room, I get it, right? But like, don't be weird with a chick who's sleeping. When I went out there and I was a street,
$1.
I was a street urchin for a day.
Yeah.
Dude, I did.
Where, in New York?
In Buffalo. Aaron Supreme, New Haven, Connecticut. You need a storage container. Don't tell them you know me because they'll charge you more. I don't want to work here no more. Here's my 2 weeks. And he's like, who the fuck's gonna hire you? Fuck you. Bullshit, whatever. So then I was like, oh, I'm gonna make this elaborate, fictitious tale. So I told them,
Yeah, dude.
I was going to
That makes
rehab.
sense.
I was like, yo, man, spin on pot, bro. Getting yoked out, fucking being bad. Going to rehab. I didn't go to rehab. I went to Buffalo and just got drunk for a week with that girl. So the one day, the girl, she was like, I actually bought a little bit of Yale or their Dill's Pub, which is open 24 hours a day besides 1 hour when they clean it. Bro, I was at this pub. It's 23 hours. It's
23 hours a day.
It's down the. You're crazy.
No, look at his nose.
What?
Hey, septum deviation's the real thing.
Wow. It's the only reason I came. The only reason I came. Parts were a benefit. Now he's pissing over there. What's up, dude? Should we grab the roller from Smelter soon?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I got kicked out of every bar within walking distance to my parents' house where I stay upstairs in my little studio fucking feed dojo. Right?
Yeah.
Yo, yeah. Fuck you, Danny. Bullshit. I know what a 0.6 is 0.4, motherfucker.
Don't put that on the internet.
No.
You
$1.
put that in there all day.
That's a
Get your
$1.
bags right, all you hustlers. I buy a gram
I
of
gotta stand out.
$2? Sale, sale, sale!
I believe it. As he should. Oh, this thing's gonna snap on me. God damn it.
What kind of work are we looking at here?
Yo, boys. I'll come back with a gas tank in a couple hours. Oh, yeah.
50 20s is $1,000.
Right around the corner.
Yeah. What the fuck?
Is it? All right, hold on. Because it's radio.
Do you want me to count it for you?
Eric, all that hubbub, you could have just left it on here.
You look good, dude.
Where's neutral, man? I can't find neutral, man.
How many?
50. You want that? 50? 50. I can't tell if you're joking or not. That's the sad part. I'm trying to help you. I just want to make sure I did the right math.
I'm doing this the hard. The lazy man works the hardest, and I'm adding 30 different fucking
Just
things,
count all the
making it
20s.
way more complicated. No, I got it.
Okay.
We're good.
All right.
Yeah, I know we're good. We counted it. Duh.
Bro.
All right.
And then these are the narrow trees I got, and that's the crow's nest.
Crow's nest.
All right.
The nest of the crow.
Hell yeah. This is the axle that was in there with the.
That's the axle. Yeah.
that
So
fits
one of the
the-
spacers in there is
Is
for
for
the star hub.
Okay, cool.
And then the pegs and something else I put in there. I forgot.
Okay, cool. Can't wait to open.
And dude, I
So weird.
This is the move right here, dude. Hey, oh God! Don't do
I'm
that.
putting it through the ringer right now. This is the test.
Hey, push it down. Push it down the hill.
Hey!
What's up?
What's going on, guys?
Watches you guys fake.
Fucking.
Hell yeah. Thank you.
Hey, look at that springer on that one, huh?
Yeah, we're gonna break this one too. Stay tuned.
It might.
Back on bikes.
Back on bikes is a different one.
Back on different bikes. More rollers.
Lousy with rollers.
Lousy with rollers, no motor though. Send us motors. It's quiet. It
Sure is.
Yeah. Electric.
Last video that came out on Thursday. You're like, oh, by the way, next week's episode's gonna be about fucking Stafford Springs. 1-800-throttleaddiction.com.
Someone actually stole the piece out of this.
They did? It's hard to find that.
I know.
Yeah, so
Someone took it.
crossover the
CT on top, this is Chad Wade. I'm a fast guy, and you're just gonna see how fast I am right now.
I can't wait to see this.
Alright,
Let's
see
go.
ya.
That was the swap meet, guys. Teddy was there.
He was there.
Teddy came.
It was good.
Teddy's going to work out now. Look at Teddy's legs.
I see my ass on the Eazy Co Instagram. I'm hitting the gym
You're
now.
hitting the gym now. Yeah. Shed some weight, dude. Yeah, the cheese adds 5 pounds. The cheddar cheese.
Fucking.
Yeah. So Teddy, we have
The
one more
swap meet
thing.
beers?
The swap meet drinks. Crazy Dave will add 10 pounds to you. He'll also add 20 years to your life to your life expectancy. Or sorry,
Or the opposite.
minus 20 years to your life expectancy.
I don't think he's aged.
He hasn't. His hands just age. If you look at his hands, they are crusty. So yeah, that's it. We did it. Stafford Springs came back with a lot of goodies.
You think
Made-
you have a black eye?
Oh, I have grease all over me? Probably. Made some money. Spent a bunch of money.
Made some memories.
Made some memories that'll last a lifetime. You know, that's really what it's about, guys. So why don't you like and subscribe to the channel? Okay, if you already liked and subscribed to the channel, start a new account under your wife's email and like and subscribe on that account.
It's a good
okay?
idea.
Start multiple accounts and like and subscribe on all of them. Okay? Tell your friends to start multiple accounts. Okay? We want accounts on accounts on accounts. Like and subscribe.
Manscaped.
Nope, that is not real.
No.
Like and subscribe. Teddy, you're fucking fired. Teddy, you suck at this. Like and subscribe to the channel. Like and subscribe to life. Like and subscribe to everything that is cool. And there's kids there. What's up, guys?
Say like and subscribe.
Say like and subscribe.
Thank
Nice,
you.
thanks. That's it. See you later.